my makeup looks a bit excessive, it's because I'm going through a stage that I never thought I would go through. A blush stage.
Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
I could take a break from this world, running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. I had to burn you. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Finally. Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like a
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by UNice Hair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am wearing is their UNice Ginger Orange Body Wave Human Hair Lace Part Wig, and I do have it in 24 inches. This unit is available in 14 to 24 inches. All of those numbers being even numbers, but I am personally rocking the 24 inch. It says you can upgrade lace part. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means, because it doesn't say what you can upgrade that lace parting to. And the density of this unit is 150% density, and this unit does come as a middle part. But as you guys can see, I shifted old girl ever so slightly because I was feeling more of side vibes. Okay, your girl wants to be a side chick today. Okay, so with this wig, you can obviously tell that the density, I mean not the density, but the texture of this unit is body wave. And I'm looking at the pictures, and honey girl, these girls slayed this unit. and it has me a little like distracted. Like, they are slaying this in the reviews. Like, girl, can I look like you, boo? Okay, can I look like you? But anyways, I got distracted. So it says, I'm trying to find some more details. The description of this unit is just that it says UNice affordable 4x 0.75 lace part body wave human hair wig, and it's 150% density. So that's all the details that I see on here. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. Now, I want you guys to be mindful that this is a lace part wig. It's not a closure, it's not a frontal, it's not a headband wig, it's a lace part wig. Meaning the only way you can put your part elsewhere is by shifting the wig. And as I stated, you can do that and, you know, still get your side looks if you want to. But it comes as a middle part, so sometimes it can be a little uncomfortable. For me, it's always a little uncomfortable on my ears when I shift these sort of wigs because I do have very large ears. So no matter what I do, the tab is going to be on my ears. But if your ears aren't as large as mine, you shouldn't have that problem. But on the other side, my ear is fine. So it's just on the side, whatever side I'm shifting it to. That is like the biggest issue that I have with lace part wigs that I don't want to wear as a middle part, because they do typically come as a middle part. That is like the biggest issue that I personally have. Now, on the site, the model has hers as, she has dark roots on here. Now, this wig does not come with dark roots, and I want you guys to know that in case you click on it and you think that you're going to get dark roots. The picture that they have of their unit does not have dark roots, but the picture of the model does have dark roots, meaning more than likely she did her own dark roots. And if you know how to do that, girl, you know how to do that. But honestly, you can just get some spray, or you can use mascara or whatever to darken the roots. Like, you can get some brown mascara, because I wouldn't personally put black roots on this sort of hair. I would do like a brownish color, because I just feel like that looks better. And you know, that's just for the people that aren't comfortable wearing a unit this color. Like, I told my husband, your girl is gonna be looking like a pumpkin, and he said, no baby, you're gonna be looking like a superhero. I was like, yes, daddy, do it. Okay, do that. I'll take superhero over a pumpkin any day. Okay, but yeah, so that is basically it as far as the details and specs go. Now, I do want to go ahead and mention, while I'm talking about the construction of this wig, as far as shedding and tangling goes. Now, this wig is obviously more than likely a 613 that they dyed orange, and it does shed some. It's not shedding terribly, and honestly, I'm not sure if it's shedding because of something that I had to do to the unit, because it's mostly shedding on this side, and this is the side that I had to do what I had to do to this unit. Now, what did I have to do to this unit? Okay, so what I had to do to this unit was, one of the tracks was just like too long, and old girl was poking out right here, so I had to cut it. And when I cut it, you know, this is what I cut right here. So when I cut that off, I did start getting some shedding in here. And so I'm not sure if the shedding is from the wig or not, and I don't want to tell you that the wig doesn't shed whatsoever, and then you get it and you be like,
she told me that she didn't shed, and she shed, and I don't like that. Okay,
I ain't gonna do you like that, girl. So I'm not sure. I can tell you that. I'm not sure. But I do expect 613 units or wigs that have been colored from 613 to shed some. It's not shedding excessively. It's not getting on my nerves or none of the things. Like, it's not a big deal to me, but it may be a big deal to you, which is why I always like to let you guys know about those type of things. Another thing that I want to point out with this wig is on this side where I have this bang at. If you wanted to do like an effect where it's sort of lifted, which is sort of trendy right now, this right here is going to show these tracks. And because this unit isn't black, I feel like when it's a darker unit, that right there doesn't look as bad. But because this is a lighter unit, that may be a big issue for you. So I wanted to point that out as well, just so you guys can be mindful of that, of the construction of this wig. It's not so bad on this side, and it may be just how I personally cut it, but I think it's more hair on this side than this side. And because this is the unit that I have, I want to show you guys. Like, I don't know what your unit would look like. So I just wanted to point that out, because you guys know I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with y'all, okay? I'm always be honest with you. I'm gonna keep it a whole buck, okay? So yeah, I wanted to point that out. Now, if you are interested in how I feel about this unit, as well as the full 360 and the lint check, then baby girl, please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna be honest, y'all. Once I got the unit, I was kind of like, when I took it out of the packaging, I was like, I don't want to put her on. I'm not sure how it's gonna go with my skin complexion. I have a cousin whose hair is basically this color, okay? And honestly, she's a lot lighter than me and it looks good on her. You know, because she was born with it. It's her natural color. But I do feel like certain colors like this, in my opinion, looks better on either really, really light skin or really, really dark skin. That in-between brownish can look a little weird. So, you know, I can look kind of like we all meshing together. And I'm an orange person. I don't know if I come off as orange on camera, but my undertones are really, really orangey. Like in the summer, if I'm actually out there in the heat, girl, I turn orange. Okay, I be looking like an orange around here. So I didn't know how it was gonna go with my undertones and all that. And you guys may even be saying while you're watching the video,
Girl, I don't know what you're thinking, but it still ain't cute.
but honestly, I like the unit. I think the unit is really, really cute. And I don't know if it's the curls that I added, the layers that I don't know. But I'm feeling old girl. Like, you can let me know down below what you think. Do you think I pulled it off, or do you think, are you like, girl, no, you was right, okay? You were right. It ain't cute on you. Let me know down below, honey. You ain't gonna hurt my feelings. I don't care. So, but yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it's a look. Like, I honestly do. I really like this unit. Now, the unit does have its cons, and I pointed those cons out. This part with the track right here is probably my biggest con with this unit. Like, the other part, the part that where I had to cut off that hair right there, that's not a big deal to me. As long as it's not shedding like excessively or anything like that, that's not a big deal to me. But if I had to give this unit a con, that is my con. But honey, ask me, am I still gonna wear her? Ask me, am I still gonna rock? Oh girl, okay, I am. I'm still gonna rock this unit because I really like it, okay? Like, I literally have another wig that I need to review today, and I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna take it off, and I'm gonna put this one back on in case Reginald Shane Brown decides takes his wife out here in these streets, girl, okay? So just in case, this is what I want to wear. I'm feeling it. I think it's a look. I think it's a vibe. I think it's all other things. Judge me not, honey. Judge me not. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look to me. As far as what I did to this unit, all I did was I did cut some layers in it. And I did use my Chi helmet head spray, and I did use my curling iron. And honey, that is it. That is all. That is all of the things that I did to this unit. So yeah, like I said, it's a look, it's a vibe to me. Let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling her? Are you not feeling her? Would you wear this color? Would you not wear this color? Would you add the roots? Would you not add the roots? Let me know down below in the comments because I want to know, honey. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
I just really wanted to say that. My best friend, we love The Devil Wears Prada, and that woman used to always sit her stuff down and she'd be like, that's all. So I wanted to say that, but that's not it, girl. I'm finna give you a full 360 as well as a lint check. Then we can wrap this thing all the way up, and then I can really say, that's all. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4", so I'm not the tallest girl in the world, okay? And this is it on the right side. Okay, y'all, so that is basically it. I am feeling this wig. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And now, honey, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook, and Help Me on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever